Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Station. In the previous video, we had learned a small activity on how to introduce addition to the smaller kids. Now, we are going to learn the next steps that we must follow to introduce single digit addition to the little ones. Now, we have already introduced the words like to put together, total, bringing together, and in all while doing the activity with the children. Now, it's the right time for the children to be introduced with the word addition. For that, the very first basic thing that is to be done is introduction of the symbol of addition, which we all know that is plus sign. So make the child use the fingers and make plus sign with his fingers and let him repeat. Which symbol is this? This is plus sign. Which symbol is this? This is plus sign. Now, the child should also know another important symbol, which is the symbol of equal to. So this also the child should be able to make the symbol with fingers. Which symbol is this? This is equal to. Equal to means same. Make the child familiar with these two important symbols and then move to the next step, that is writing and adding on paper. Now, the very first basic step to write and start adding on paper is using the pictures. Pictorial representation is very important for the child to know what he is doing. So, parents, please make sure that you use pictures to show addition to the children. Now, this is going to help you in one more important way. Draw the pictures for the child on your own. Maybe simple shapes, maybe some trees, flowers, and let the child color. By doing this, the child is going to own up his own things. He would understand that he's doing something of his own, and then he would have a lot of interest in doing the activity. So here I have taken one very small example of circles. So in the first line I have made 5 circles. Now I am going to ask the child, how many circles are there? The child should be able to count these circles as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, put the plus sign and ask which sign is this. So the child would be now able to tell this is plus. Plus means he will add. Next, let the child count how many circles are there. Now in the next line, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 circles. So, what do they equal? Now, since the child already knows what is the meaning of equal to, he will not be puzzled up as if what you are asking. So, ask the child, whatever number of circles you can see over here, you need to draw the total circles after the equal to sign. So, let the child draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. Alternatively, if the child does not want to draw and color, please ask the child to use bindis instead. They are very good activity sources. Now the next step should be that you must write for the child 5 plus 4, that is 5 circles plus 4 circles equals, and let the child write the total answer at the end, which is 9. By doing this activity, the child will slowly and gradually learn the process of addition. There is one very interesting way of introducing addition to the children, that is addition using dice. Take 2 dice, keep the dice with you and ask the child to roll the dice. Whatever numbers come on the dice, let them count the number of dots and write the answer on the sheet. You can prepare a small sheet, maybe with numbers or maybe with dice like these, and you can give it to the child to count. Now, Once the child is very clear with addition with pictures, our next step would be to remove the pictures and give only the questions, only the numbers to them. For that, very important thing that is required is quantification on numbers, on fingers. That is, learning to count our fingers as in 1 to 10. So let the child repeatedly count on fingers. The steps to make the child understand addition on fingers would be: give a question to the child without any pictures now. Make the child put the pencil on the bigger number. Here in the example, we have 5 plus 2. Make the child put his pencil on the bigger number 5 and open 2 fingers. So the child should be able to read that number, bigger number 5, and ask the child to start counting after that. 6, 7. So how many in total we have? We have 7. Again repeating. Make the child put his pencil or his finger on the bigger number. Read that number 5. Open the number of fingers or which are there in the smaller one. So like here in 2, 5, 6, 7. The total we have 7. Slowly, gradually, you can ask the child to stop using the pencil and the finger on the number. Instead, let's start using our brain. So, the child should be able to speak the whole line as 5 in my brain, 2 on my fingers. 5 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. Anything that the child is able to learn, just let the child speak that. 5 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. So I'm going to start counting after 5. 5, 6, 7. So how many in total do we have? We have 7. This is how we have to make the child understand how to add the numbers with and without pictures. So this is all for single digit addition. If you are going to make the child repeatedly do these activities, the children would actually understand how to add. We do not want to make the children rote learners. We need them to understand each step. And that is the reason why we introduce addition step by step. Of course, there are number lines also that are used, for which I would be talking about in my other videos. If you liked my video, I would really request you to please subscribe to Learning Station, my channel, like and comment. Please keep loving me. In case you want any specific video for your elder children also, you may please write it in the comment section. I'll soon come out with a new video for the same. Thank you.